Hi friends. This is Scissor from PS Tutelar. Sometime we have to deal with such pictures. They are either underexposed or overexposed. You can see an image. Or here is another overexposed image. Or images are underexposing. Same like this image. Or here is another underexposed image. How we deal and fix these kind of images. Let's see how we will do it in Photoshop. So, this is overexposing image. First press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Then go to filter and click on camera raw filter. There are many options in panel. Choose basic and expand it. In basic there is dehaze option. Move slider to right side. Dehaze allows you to rescue images beset by fog and atmosphere. Move texture slider to left to reduce noise. Then press OK. Create curves adjustment layer. Click on gray point dropper. It is to sample an image to set gray point. Find gray area in image and click on it. So here you fix an overexposed image. Here is before and after. Same, this image is overexposing. Repeat same process on this image. Go to filter. Camera raw filter. Expand basic and find dehaze. We will not increase slider that much. That we encounter bands on image. Just adjust image colors without bands on it. Move texture slider to left to remove noise. Finally click OK. Create curves adjustment layer. Pick gray point dropper. Click on gray area in image. Here is before overexposed image. And then after fix it. Next we deal with this kind of image. This image is underexposing. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. So original image remains saved for backup. Create solid color layer. Fill it with white color and hit OK. Choose two blend options, which is good for image. Soft light or overlay. Overlay suits for this image. Then create curves adjustment layer. Pick gray point dropper. Click on gray area in image. And here is image before and after. It was underexposing. Then here is another image. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Create solid color layer. Fill with white color and press OK. Check which blend mode suits for image. That is overlay of soft, light. I think overlay suits for this image. Create curves adjustment layer. Pick gray point dropper. Click on gray point in image. Here is image before and after. I hope you like these techniques. To deal with underexposed or overexposed images, hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.